Hello everyone. Welcome you all on this online study platform of Divine Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing the maths practice at home. Today we will learn Unit 8, that is factors and multiples. So let us learn factors and multiples.
Dear students, in today's video we will learn about factors and multiples. So let us see firstly factors.
When a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the dividend. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the exact divisors of 6. Means 6 equal to 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. It means 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors of 6. Let us see the another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are exact divisors of 12. Dear students, here you can see all the factors of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the factors of 12. Now let us solve some examples. Is 5 a factor of 25? We know that 5 divides 25 exactly. Therefore, 5 is the factor of 25. Let us see the example 2. Is 11 a factor of 1034? Firstly, we will divide 1034 by 11. In this division, you can see clearly 11 divides 1034 exactly. Means 11 is the factor of 1034. Let us see the example 3. Is 15 a factor of 1309? Again, we will divide 1309 by 15. In this division, you can see here, on dividing 1309 by 15, we get 4 as remainder. So, 1309 is not completely divisible by 15. Means 15 is not a factor of 1309. Example 4. Find all the factors of 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Because the number 20 is exactly divisible by these numbers, which leave the remainder 0. Now move to our next topic, properties of factors. First, every non-zero number has a limited number of factors. For example, all the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. All the factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15. Second, 1 is the factor of every number and it is the smallest factor of that number. For example, in the factor of 10, 1 is the smallest factor of 10. And in the factor of 15, 1 is the smallest factor of 15. Let us move to the third property. Every non-zero number is the largest factor of itself. For example, 10 is the greatest factor of 10 and 15 is the greatest factor of 15. Fourth, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. For example, 15 is the factor of 0 and 7 is the factor of 0. But 0 is not a factor of any number. Fifth, every factor of a non-zero number is either less than or equal to the given number. For example, all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Highest common factor HCF. Highest common factor is the largest or greatest factor that is common to any two or more given natural numbers is termed as HCF of given numbers. It is also known as GCD, means greatest common divisor. Let us see the example. HCF of 4, 6 and 8 is 2 because factor of 4 equal to 2 into 2, factor of 6 equal to 3 into 2 and factor of 8 equal to 4 into 2 means the highest common factor of 4, 6 and 8 is 2. Let us see some more examples. Example 1. Find the HCF of 18 and 27. Factors of 18 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 and factors of 27 equal to 1, 3, 9 and 27. Common factors of 18 and 27 is equal to 1, 3 and 9. Hence, the HCF of 18 and 27 is equal to 9. Example 2. Find the HCF of 12, 18 and 30. Factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 18 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 and factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Then common factor of 12, 18 and 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Hence, the HCF of 12, 18 and 30 is equal to 6. Now, let us learn about multiples. When a number divides another number exactly, then the dividend is called a multiple of the divisor. For example, 36 is the multiple of 9. Because we know that 9 divides 36 exactly. So, 36 is the multiple of 9. Let us see the example. Find the multiples of 20. The multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and so on. Because 20 into 1 equal to 20, 20 into 2 equal to 40, 20 into 3 equal to 60, 20 into 4 equal to 80, 20 into 5 equal to 100 and so on. Now see the second example. Is 1378 a multiple of 13? To solve this, we have to divide 1378 by 13. In the division, you can see clearly 13 divides 1378 exactly. Therefore, 13 is a factor of 1378. Hence, 1378 is a multiple of 13. Example 3. So that 3028 is not a multiple of 29. Again, we have to divide 3028 by 29. In this division, you can see here, on dividing 3028 by 29, we get 12 as the remainder. Therefore, 3028 is not exactly divisible by 29. Hence, 3028 is not a multiple of 29. Example 4. Find first 6 multiples of 12. The first 6 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. Now children, you can find out the multiples of any number like this. Let us see the properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. First, every non-zero number has unlimited number of multiples. For example, multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 400 and so on. Second, every number is a multiple of 1. For example, multiple of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 and so on. Now the third, every non-zero number is a multiple of itself. For example, 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. Here, 3 is a multiple of 3. And 45 multiplied by 1 is equal to 45. Here, 45 is a multiple of 45. Next, 0 is a multiple of every non-zero number. Fifth, every multiple of a non-zero number is either greater than or equal to the given number. For example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Here, clearly each one of them is greater than or equal to 5. Next, the first multiple of a number is the number itself. First multiple of 7 is 7. Lowest common multiple means LCM. The lowest common multiple of some given numbers is the smallest common multiples of those numbers. For example, let us find the LCM of 8 and 12. Multiples of 8 equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and so on. And multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and so on. Here, common multiples of 8 and 12 is equal to 24, 48, 72 and so on. Therefore, LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Dear students, let us see some important definition. First, prime number. A counting number having only two factors, 1 and itself, is called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 11, etc. The smallest prime number is 2. Composite number. A counting number having more than two factors is called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 9, 15, 99, etc. The smallest composite number is 4. Remember, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Even numbers. The numbers divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 12, 300, etc. Odd numbers. The numbers which is not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 71, 109, etc. Test of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 2. A given number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, each of the numbers 2178, 6584, 3162 is divisible by 2. Out of the numbers 5248, 6803, 55, 35487 is not divisible by 2. Test of divisibility by 3. A given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, consider the number 34,563. Sum of its digit equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, that is equal to 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 34,563 is divisible by 3. Now, consider the number 7,85,491. Sum of its digit equal to 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is 34, and it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 7,85,491 is not divisible by 3. Test of divisibility by 5. A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. For example, each of the numbers 3000 and 21,325 is divisible by 5, and none of the numbers 7,541, 85,908, 5,547, 54,003 is divisible by 5. Test of divisibility by 6. A given number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, consider the number 13,074. Sum of its digit equal to 15, which is divisible by 3, and its unit digit is 4, so it is also divisible by 2. Therefore, 13,074 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Hence, 13,074 is divisible by 6 also. Now, consider the number 36,521. Its unit digit is 1, so it is not divisible by 2. Hence, 36,521 is not divisible by 6. Now consider the number 75,490. Sum of its digit equal to 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0, that is 25, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 75,490 is not divisible by 3. Test of divisibility by 9. A given number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits is divisible by 9. For example, consider the number 16,587. Sum of its digit equal to 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7, that is 27, and it is divisible by 9. Therefore, 16,587 is divisible by 9. Now consider the number 35,497. Here, sum of its digit equal to 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7, that is 28, and it is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 35,497 is not divisible by 9. Test of divisibility by 10. A given number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. For example, each of the numbers 1000, 2450, 6520, 13250 is divisible by 10, and none of the numbers 7541, 5908, 5547 and 54003 is divisible by 10.
Dear students, I hope you nicely understood the concept of factors and multiples. So now it's your turn. You have to solve the maths problem from your book. Thank you.